Heron. This is a heron. Seagull. This is a seagull. Falcon. This is called falcon. Kite. This is called kite. Vulture. This is a vulture. Penguin. This is called penguin. Pelican. This is known as pelican. Ostrich. This is known as ostrich. Emu. This is called emu. Quail. This is called quail. Lark. This is called lark. Finch. This is known as finch. Canary. This is a canary. Swallow. This is known as swallow. Nightingale. This is a nightingale. Magpie. This is known as magpie. Jay. This is known as blue jay. Hoopoe. This is called hoopoe. Rain. This is known as rain. Warbler. This is called warbler.